All of you are good people. All of you are wonderful people. All of you come from different backgrounds and different upbringings. And all of you come from different types of thoughts. But deep down inside, we're all people. And we want one thing. We want to have a happy mind. And we want to make people around us happy. And we want to be very healthy. And of course, we want to be successful. Successful, different types of success. And we also want to have a fruitful life. And we also want to have a life that's distant from wars and disease and difficulties. And sometimes we may not be able to achieve that on the outside. But what's more important is to have a happy state of mind. If we have a happy state of mind, whether you are going through a war or whether you're sitting home watching TV, your mind will be calm and filled with wisdom. And you'll be able to guide yourself and others and lead yourself and others. So having a calm state of mind. Calm doesn't mean, oh, you can't shout. Doesn't mean you don't get excited. Doesn't mean that you watch the ball games, your team wins, you can't scream. No, that doesn't mean. Calm means what? Listen carefully. Calm isn't just calm. Calm is calm abiding. Calm abiding is what? Is a state of mind that never moves from not wanting to inflict harm or engage in actions that inflict harm. So calm abiding mind can be manifested as a calm, contemplative, meditative mind, but not necessary. A calm mind is a mind that does not ever stray or engage in motivations that bring damage to oneself, short and long term, and others. That's a calm mind. And those states of mind definitely can be achieved through education, through learning, through education and learning, rehabituation. Everything that you can do now, everything that you are good at, everything that you are proud of, everything that you have accomplished, everything you are familiar with, is through habituation, through learning. Everything that you know now was not easy in the beginning. Even chewing food right now was not easy when you were a small child. I'm sure you bit your tongue. I still bite my tongue. But it's through habituation now, you can just put the food in your mouth and you don't need to think, you just chew. Walking. Anything that you have accomplished in your life, everything that you have in your life, business, dressing, grooming, came from habituation. So since habituation is the key, it is the key to happiness and unhappiness. You can change the environment around you hundreds of times. You can change the people around you. You can change your dress, your country. You can change your car. You can change anything that you do around you. But nothing changes, although it seems like everything has changed. Why? How many times have we switched ourselves around and seen that we fall back into the same situation? Think about it. And people feel that if they run away from a certain situation, if they threaten to run away from a certain situation, things will change. How can things change? If you're wearing an orange shirt, wherever you go, it's an orange shirt. If you're wearing a yellow shirt, if you're wearing a blue shirt or white shirt, wherever you go, the shirt is the same. Similarly, your mind is like that. Your mind is like that. Therefore, if you don't transform your mind, then nothing around you will transform. If nothing around you transforms, if you're in a difficult situation, you can't expect that situation to dissipate. You can't expect that situation to go away. Whether it's bad health, whether it's bad temper, whether it's a bad relationship, whether it's a bad disharmony problem, whatever problems you're having will not go away unless you remove the cause. And the cause is within ourselves. How do we remove that cause? that cause can be removed. Not by mantras, not by rituals, not by prayers, not by miracles, not by Tibetan lamas touching you on the head, not by initiations, not by go visiting holy sites, not by chanting or reading. That mind that you have in you that actually creates some of the unhappiness in your lives along with the happiness can only be removed by changing or habituation or rehabituating. And why is New Year's resolutions very strong? New Year's resolutions are very strong because we feel it's a new year, we want a new start, we want to change something about ourselves that we don't like. So what happens is, if we rehabituate ourselves, it's a very big struggle because we've been doing something very comfortably and naturally for many years now. So if someone tells us a different way, for some of us we react in anger, some of us we react in patience, some of us we react in regret, and some of us react in embarrassment. And we can have all kinds of reactions. But the fact that we have a reaction, it's working something within us. So therefore, rehabituation of the mind is the key to all of our problems. And that may sound very monumental to all of you. I'm not making a monumental sweeping statement. I'm making a very logical statement.